Guys, welcome to my channel. And it's raining and it's Monday morning. It's 16th of June and it's fun. I'm here with my quirky cute umbrella which is purple, and it's fun. And I had a spa day yesterday, so yes, I had, if I'm doing a spa, so that really is something, because uh, that's lotion, that's oil and conditioner. After a long time I had done this, so if you can see some color, I don't know if there's any color come out on this, I have no clue, because the head and the scalp tends to become very dry and horrible. This is my Glam Rose lipstick. It's really looking very nice and chic. It's like maroon, really looking nice, very pretty. What's with these budgies? I don't know. I'll tell you, on the church, ये church में ना, they love to waste funds on stupid things. There's something called creative thing which they have to decorate. Before, they used to do it on a very low profile, only on occasion, special occasion like festivals and major festivals like Easter, Christmas, और बीच में भी काफ़ी festivals होते हैं छोटे मोटे. For that they used to do. But अभी क्या कर रहे हैं ना, they have become very gaudy and ostentatious, very tacky. I forgot to tell you all that they had stuck to the wall some dupattas, red, orange and another bright red, some shades of red and orange. And it is supposed to be Holy Spirit shining on the light, but why are you wasting the church funds on stupid things? एक किसी ज़रूरतमंद के काम नहीं आएंगे ये. इनको दूसरे कम्युनिटी, दूसरे रिलीजन को खिलाना पिलाना है और अपने पीठ थपथपाना है. वी एज अ इंक्लूसिव, वी एज अ काइंड हार्टेड. ये इतना, आई जस्ट टोल्ड, ये क्या फालतूगिरी है. दे आर स्टिकिंग सच लॉन्ग दुपट्टाज की इट्स ट्रिपिंग ऑन द पाथवे. मतलब तुम वो या तो कपड़ा फट जाएगा या तो तुम उसके ऊपर ट्रिप करोगे. यू इडियट्स. भगवान को अपना लाइट दिखाने के लिए तुम लोग के दुपट्टे की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कीप योर टैकी आइडियाज़ टू योर सेल्फ. दे सो कॉनी, चीज़ी, क्रिंज फेस्ट चल रहा है. There's only one person and me, and he's quite regular, I guess. He comes quite early. तो वो अम्ब्रेला लेके घूम रहे हैं and he is speaking on the phone, means he is working. And myself, today it took me time to keep walking to the church. Like, I left my house very early today at 7:01, and yet I reached, when I touched base, it was 7:16. That means तुम धीरे धीरे चल के जाते हो ना, और रेनी सीजन में तो कितना टाइम लगता है, और या द टाइम इज़ फ्लाइंग बाय. I could not get good sleep yesterday. I was just very restless. So I was watching couple of random things ki how they fool you. There are women who are doing really good. Some of these girls are doing very good content. It's very intelligent, but in a very laid back manner, and they are flashy, whatever, editing, snazzy advertising. It's fun to watch that. And I was saying, it is like हाथ कंगन को आलसी क्या, पढ़े लिखे को फारसी क्या. Yeah, you can't see the trees in the forest, और सावन के अंधे को हरियाली ही दिखाई देती है. मीन्स you're so, it's called something called drop shipping. Means that same product you will get it on different website on different prices, जबकि उसका प्राइस सिर्फ $2 रहेगा, but on different websites they will say, oh, handmade, सेम एग्जैक्ट हैंड क्राफ्टेड, वही सेम डिज़ाइन, वही अगली लुकिंग डिज़ाइन, $39, $40. So it's called drop shipping. Means on different websites the prices are different. So blindly don't keep buying things. Overconsumption, excessive consumerism. Today I'm looking very cute and nice. People are obsessed with Botox. I see a lot of these parlors obsessed. Fillers, Botox and nail. मेरे तो nails grow ही नहीं करते हैं. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, कहाँ से ख़त्म करूँ? Why are people wasting their money, hard-earned money, on nails? Spend it on yourself. Wear nice clothes, trendy clothes, eat good food. Why waste on nails? My lipstick is awesome. monsoon, I want to change my style completely. I want to make it like uh, trendy and quirky because you get wet. So my feet have become very nice. See, check out. Because of coconut oil. Massage it with coconut oil. So yeah, it have become really nice and good. And overall, I'm feeling very happy. I feel so peaceful whenever I come down here. I feel better. I don't dance with another baby. Yesterday I walked 5-6 kilometers. Bapre, I walked so much. People think that just putting makeup or cream will give you the glow. It will not give you any results. I'm telling you, nothing. In fact, you will ruin your face and everything you consume will go into your bloodstream. Don't overload it. I used my hair soap for 2-3 washes, then I used shampoo for the final this. My Ayurvedic hair soap bar. Can't call it shampoo. It will be very pretentious and pompous to call a soap bar a shampoo bar. It's so stupid. It's an Ayurvedic soap. I got this good brand from this Anuved. It is from this Ayurvedic shop which is there at the Marol Naka side. Go to whenever you all are buying products, unless take your lazy asses and shop real things from real places and make a list. Are they a priority? Do you really want them? If you all don't want them, why are you buying it? I like to buy my own products when I see it through my this. Very rarely that I have bought anything online. Online में मैंने wellness का वो कुछ मेहंदी hair color, but it was mehendi. I fought with them. Then they gave me a soap bar which was cost shampoo bar 600-700, which is not the price. They said we will not refund you. You take something else. All their prices were 700. I said, you idiot. The same soap is for $40, which I got. Like same type. Can you believe that? That's $40 and 700. So online they are going to squeeze you left, right and center. Don't look down upon products which are not marketed. In fact, these products are far more better. I see Indian products, I see local products. I'm very happy. I said if I have to buy Ayurvedic, I will buy which is not advertised like crazy. I will go to a shop and buy lesser known brands, local brands, rather than paying for that same thing online in flashy advertising. People are very greedy and scammy online. That's the reason why I don't trust. Even when I want to start my online jewelry thing, I don't think I'll make it very exclusive, because there'll be so many fakes on that. People in India will become, or all over the world will become deaf because of their headphones, use of headphones. I'm feeling so nice sitting in the rain. It's a very beautiful feeling, wonderful feeling. एक umbrella है, तुम greenery में बैठे हो, everything is so green. Your mind will be instantly be relaxed. I could have gone to the pond park, but I did not go to the pond park. It was raining, so it didn't make sense for me to drag myself to the pond park. I don't know hungry, not really, because I ate so much yesterday that वो मेरे चलने फिरने में ही चला गया. You all like my content? You all like it, no? So please, you all have seen what YouTube does. 9:57 in 2 days. Then it's slipping down. Now it's then it was 8:53 which I last saw, and yesterday night when I saw it is 8:42. Thank you YouTube for being such a bitch that you are. You're using my content free of cost, making money out of it, and then ignoring me and downsizing me. Now you understand why my channel is not growing up, because the real fact came out. Hundreds of subscribers, and what are the countries? Cambodia, Mexico, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh. That they are there, but other countries have pulled in. From Europe people used to watch. Sweden, Poland, Norway, Denmark, Germany, France, Romania. Once upon a time when certain videos go viral, all these people are watching, and people used to watch because they could relate to it, or mostly because it was serious content. But now I'm doing more Hindi and eating, drinking, review, so maybe they cannot relate to it. I have no clue. So suddenly my views will also fall. Suddenly they will fall off. Like in the night I saw it was 5,000 plus views. Now it has become 4,000, 1,000. How can they just minus like this? Can it become like this? Can they have such Vela kind of calculations? I have no idea. People on mobile, 72% are watching on mobile, computer 18%, TV 0.6, tablet 18. The maximum ones are from 25 to 34 and 45 to 54. 40% and 32%. 56% are females. Okay, now I'll read out to you all the countries which are watching. United States almost 10%, Indonesia, UK, Vietnam, Pakistan, Cambodia, Canada, Mexico, Bangladesh. Now did I tell them please watch? I did not tell them. People from Cambodia and Vietnam are watching, means there must be something interesting. And that also my previous videos they are watching. Or maybe because it's Pride month, it is shot up, because they think I'll be attacking their beloved community. So suddenly it shot up. And that one video, Desmet is not amazing. In 2 days time it became 2,000 views. When I posted, I did not even get more than 100. It was less than 200, and the amount of hatred I got from New York alone. All those 200 people who were watching were only from New York or from US. And the amount of hatred I got for that was unbelievable. Before I used to be pretty lazy. Why should I go out? It's raining. Let it be. I said no matter what, I'm going to come out. Even with the rain, even with the umbrella, I'm going to sit here. Even if I'm very busy. No matter what I'm doing, I'll always find time for myself. Seven to 11. I want to go walking in the rain and the grass during this time. I appreciate this man. He still come. Chalo, let me walk in the grass and have some cool time. Bye. Take care of yourselves. Love you all.